Okay. Hi everyone, welcome you all to BTech Buddies platform. In this video, we are going to discuss about HTML. That means Hypertext Markup Language. The main agenda of this session is to discuss about the HTML, what is HTML and where we are going to use HTML programming language and when we are going to use HTML programming language and how we are going to use HTML language, and that all we will discuss you here. At the end of the session you will be having clear idea on all these questions, and then you will be having clear capable of answering all these type of questions. Okay, so if you want further videos regarding HTML and all web development programming languages like CSS, Bootstrap, Angular, React and all, so you can follow our channel so that you will be getting the notifications and so that you can enjoy the technical info from BTech Buddies team. Okay, so let me move on to the concept. Yeah, so today our session is about the HTML. What is HTML and why we are going to use HTML and when we are going to use HTML and where we are going to use HTML. Okay, so if you are capable enough in answering all these questions, that means you will be having basic knowledge regarding the particular programming language. If you are capable of answering all these questions, what is HTML, when we use HTML, why we use HTML, where we use HTML and all, if you know the structure and all, so it means that you have the clear and basic knowledge regarding particular programming language. Let me see about the HTML. Okay, so here let me explain you what is HTML first. So let me give you clear idea what is HTML. So HTML is a programming language where we are using in the web environment. So to develop the both static and dynamic websites, we are going to work with HTML. So let me type here so that you will be having clear idea. So let me increase the size so that you will be getting clear idea. Yeah. So come on here. So HTML is a web-based programming language. So in some of the books and you will be getting HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language. We can also say programming language because we are going to use for developing the applications, web applications. Okay. So HTML is a web-based programming language, and I have already said you expansion of HTML hypertext markup language. So I'm not gonna repeat it. So to develop the static and dynamic websites, we are going to work with HTML. Okay, so to develop static and dynamic websites, we are going to work with HTML. So let me change the color so that it will be very easy to identify. So this is about the HTML. HTML is a web-based programming language, static and dynamic websites. And let me show you some of the examples. And you might have seen Wikipedia website in Google. So that is also a web environment application website, wikipedia.com. And you might have seen w3schools.com. So all these are web applications developed using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, this type of applications. This is about the HTML. HTML is a web-based programming language, static and dynamic websites we can develop using HTML like Wikipedia, w3schools.com, or otherwise if you see web environment, ClickBuzz, all these are developed using the HTML and all these type of programming languages. Okay, so and also one more thing is that HTML is used for the front end development. Okay, so front end development means you can only see the front end. So if you cannot see the back end here, so for example the data in the database we cannot see, only the administration can see. So what is the part that is visible to you in the web application or website like Wikipedia, w3schools.com, ClickBuzz and all, so that is called front end. Okay, so by using the HTML we can make the structure of a HTML page. So let me type here, structure of website. Okay, so structure of website can be designed using the HTML. The content that you are seeing in the websites are designed using the HTML. In different ways we can insert the content into the website using the HTML, and applying the styles and beauty to the websites and all that will comes under the CSS. Okay, today we are going to discuss only HTML. So this is about what is HTML. Let me explain you why we are going to use HTML. Okay, so let me take a new slide and explain you. So where we use, so let me explain you where we use HTML programming. Okay, so let me change the color into red color. Yeah, where we use HTML. HTML is used in web environment. Okay, so we can develop the applications in mobile applications, we can develop web applications, we can develop desktop applications, we can develop all these are called different type of applications in different environments. Okay, so let me show you here different type of applications. Web applications, Android applications, and one more thing is that so desktop applications. So like this you can develop different type of applications, but here environment varies here. So our Android applications are developed in different environment and desktop applications are developed in different environment. So coming into here, HTML is used to develop the web applications. So web applications. So let me change the color here so that you will identify easily. Okay, so HTML is used to develop the web applications. HTML. Okay, so that's why where we use HTML means HTML is used in the web environment. Okay, using the HTML we can design the static and dynamic websites, and both for the static and dynamic websites HTML is very important because UI is developed only using the HTML. That means I can say front end. Okay, the content that is visible to you in the websites when you enter into the website is designed only by using the HTML. Structure of web page can be designed using HTML and the content is displayed in different ways using HTML. And let me take one more slide and explain you one more question here. And when we use HTML, okay, so when we use HTML means we are going to use HTML programming when we are developing a websites. So let me write the answer here. When we want to develop, so let me type here. When we want to develop websites, so we are going to use HTML. So we are going to use HTML for the front end development. And if you consider the backend, there will be different programming like PHP and database and all. So we are going to discuss only the HTML today. So front end development. So front end development means we can say visible part in website. Okay, so when we use HTML means when we want to develop websites, so that means here we can say both static and dynamic websites, static and dynamic website. So for the front end development we are using HTML. So that you can also get the notes from my channel and you can also get the notes from my tutorial. So for the front end development, when we have the requirement to insert the text into the website, so to design the structure of the website we are going to work with HTML. So this is about the answer for the when we use HTML. And let me explain you we have completed what is HTML, where we use HTML and when we use HTML and why we use HTML. Okay, so let me take one more slide. So why we use HTML programming? So the same answer will be for this question also. So why we use HTML means here to develop the static and dynamic websites we are going to use HTML. We can also simply say to develop web applications. So to develop web applications we are going to work with HTML in case of front end development. In web environment. Okay, so to develop web applications, we are going to work with HTML in case of front-end development in web environment. So this is about the why we use HTML. Okay, so using HTML, we can insert text in, we can insert text into websites in different ways. Wait a minute. Okay, so we can place the text in different ways based on our requirement, like here to insert headings. So for the heading purpose, we are going to work with. So we have 6 type of headings, H1 to H6, and to keep the heading we need to work with both opening and closing tag. So that means opening tag of H1 and closing tag of H1. Both combinedly we can say it as the element. Whatever the text that you placed inside the heading tag, that will be displayed in the website. Okay, or otherwise to insert the paragraph. So like here, to insert the paragraph, you are going to work with the P tag. Okay, so opening tag and closing tag. So both opening tag and closing tag we can say that as the element. So this is a paragraph. So whatever the text that you kept inside the opening braces and opening and closing tag of P tag. So this will be displayed in the paragraph manner in the website. Okay, so this is why we are going to use HTML. So to insert the text in the websites in different ways like heading and paragraph. If you want bold text, we are going to work with B tag. So like here, so we are going to work with B tag, opening B tag and closing B tag. So whatever the text that you kept inside the B tag, inside the element, bold text. So it will be displayed in the bold text in the website. So that is why we are going to use HTML to insert the text in the website. Okay, this is about the overall view of the HTML, and let me explain. Let me take one more slide. Thank you here, and I will brief once again, guys. Don't worry. So be cool. So thank you, and if you want further videos regarding HTML and CSS and all, you can follow up our channel so that you will be getting the notifications. Our team is going to post the videos regarding all type of technical information and non-technical information and all, so that you can learn with fun. So let me brief once again. So let me take full page window in the presentation. Okay, so today our topic for discussion is HTML and why we use HTML, where we use HTML, what is HTML, and when we use HTML. So what is HTML means here? HTML is a web-based programming language used for the front-end development. Static and dynamic websites can be designed using the HTML, and structure of website can be designed only with the HTML. Wikipedia, w3schools.com, ClickBuzz, all these are the examples of the websites designed using the hypertext markup language in the web environment, that is web applications. And coming into here where we use HTML, which is very important question and which is well-known question. So asked by the interviewer, HTML is used in web environment. So like here web applications. So we can develop different type of applications like Android applications, desktop applications, and web applications. So in coming into the web applications are designed by HTML. Okay. And coming into here when we use HTML. So in case of web environment and in case of developing the static and dynamic websites, we are going to work with the HTML. So for the front end development, we are mainly working with the HTML only, and CSS and Bootstrap are used for adding beauty and more beauty to the website. Okay, so this is about the, and we can say front end development means visible part in the website. Coming into here, last one, why we use HTML. To develop web applications, we are going to work with HTML in case of front end development in web environment. So if you have the requirement to develop the web applications in, you are going to choose the HTML. You are going to select the HTML to design the structure of web page and to insert the text into the websites in different ways like heading, paragraph, bold text. Okay, this is about why we use HTML. This is about the overall info regarding HTML. If you want info regarding CSS, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and React, and jQuery, all JavaScript, all these programming languages, we are going to post in YouTube. What is their use and when we are going to use and where we are going to use. When you are capable of solving all these questions, you will be having basic knowledge regarding the web-based programming languages. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you.